If you need to connect with someone remotely or let a support technician access your computer, the first thing you'll need is your AnyDesk ID. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your AnyDesk ID in just a few seconds. If this video helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Now, let's get into it. First, open AnyDesk on your computer and wait for the app to load completely. Once it opens, you'll land on the main AnyDesk screen. On this screen, look for the section that says Your Address. This is where AnyDesk displays your unique ID. In many cases, it will be shown as a number right in the center or near the top of the window. That number is what other people use to connect to your device. Now here's the easy part. Click on the number to copy it. Depending on your version of AnyDesk, the ID may copy automatically when you click it, or it may highlight so you can copy it manually. If you're sharing it with someone, paste it into a message, email, or chat so they can use it to connect. Just make sure you only share your AnyDesk ID with people you trust. Your ID is meant to help others reach your device for remote support, file sharing, or screen access, so it's always smart to be careful about who you give it to. And that's it. You've now found and copied your AnyDesk ID. It really is that simple. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.